Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso. So we are now on our week 4 of 52 weeks of sunshine, and we're here at Roast Beef Station, Craving Station, dito sa Greenhouse Village Square. And alam mo yung napakaganda lang na pag-usapan natin ngayon yung how God provides more than what we need. Alam niyo yan. During a sermon in one of the services at church, nakwento ng aming guest pastor yung kwento niya na nagsisimula pa lang sila sa province. And during that time, talagang there was a time na medyo walang-wala talaga sila. And ito talagang super na-amaze tayo dito, no? Nag-pray sila na the Lord to provide for their food kasi wala nang laman yung kanilang pitaka. And then, may kumatok sa bahay nila, guys. And sa pagkatok na yon, may dala-dalang kanin, no, rice, na bagong meal lang. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya kanin, kundi bigas talaga yung pinadala. At sa sakto, hindi lang pang lunch ko, hindi pang buong isang linggo na. And then, apart from that, meron na naman kumatok. No? Sabi kasi nung pastor, Lord, sana pati ulam meron din. So, ang nangyari is, may kumatok na naman at ang dala-dala guys, eto ha, katanghali ang tapat, ang dala is bulalo. Usually, yung bulalo, I mean, ako personally, kapag may mga celebrations, that's the time na may mga bulalo. Punta ka ng Tagaytay. Doon nagkakaroon ng bulalo. Pero yun, diba? Amazing. And then yung last is, habang naghihintay pa sila, kumakain na sila, may kumatok ulit, guys. And yung wife ng pastor, guest pastor, ay teacher, at nag-tutor. So, noong time na yun, kumatok sa bahay nila at nagbayad yung mother nung tuty nung teacher, yung wife ng pastor. And so, on that day, nagdasal lang sila na, Lord, bigyan nyo kami ng makakain for today dahil nawala na. But the Lord provided more than what they needed. Extra, extra, and more. Which reminds us na, diba, parang talagang the Lord knows what we need. Ang sabi nga even yung mga ibon, they're provided. What more tayo, diba? Huwag tayong mahiyang lumapit sa ating Panginoon, sa ating mga pangangailangan, diba? Kung alam niya na ang mga pangangailangan to ang ating pinagdarasal is makatulong sa atin, maganda for us, then for sure, He will provide for that. He will give the provision. So, yan. So, that's all for today for our week 4 of 52 weeks of sunshine. Kayo, ano ba ang sunshine story nyo? And yes, puntahan nyo dito ang Roast Beef Station. Bagong bukas sila dito, guys. And yung kanilang all-day breakfast ay may free coffee na rin. They're open from 9 to 10, I guess. Parang ganon. And titikman natin maya-maya yung food nila. So, yeah, that's all for today.